just want to shoot a product recommendation video. This here has saved our summer last year. This is the Mosquito Sniper System. And what this does, this enables you to take any pump sprayer that you own and any blower, whether it be a gas blower, a battery, even an electric blower that you plug in, doesn't matter. And what the Mosquito Sniper System is it's this misting unit. So what you do is you'll put your insecticide in the tank, and then as you can see, this hose hooks up to the end of the blower here. So start the blower, and then you can control the mist here. And what it does is, enables you to spray your insecticide, and it'll, way up in the trees, into the woods, and, underneath the, all the leaves where the mosquitoes are hanging out. This is from last year. This is the Generation 1 Mosquito Sniper System. Then they came out with a new version, and this one fits like all the different, over 100 of the different pumps and any of the sprayers. But $60 is a no-brainer. If you already own a pump and a backpack blower, any type of blower. But as far as chemicals, this weekend I was testing out the Mosquito Magician. What's nice about this one, this is all essential oils, 100% natural. So, if you got little kids and pets and concerned about the environment, this is one you may want to try. It's lemongrass, garlic oil, citronella, rosemary, and geraniol. And what's nice, it does smell nice. And up north, the verdict is still out. I don't know if it's going to be strong enough to control the bugs up here. Backyard, anywhere in the cities, no problem. What I like is, last year I used this one here. You can get this Amazon. I can get at Home Depot, Menards. Real good all-purpose insecticide. You would mix a little of this with this. This is, I would say, kind of the key. This is an insect growth regulator. And it's kind of expensive, but this will last you probably 10 years. And what this does is it stops the growth of insects. An insect will have to metamorphosize, which means they go out of one body, essentially, and into a new one. What the insect growth regulator does is it stops the production. So a mosquito will lay its egg, and then if there's any, it'll lay on first of all, what happens is it'll go to a leaf that has a little of this chemical on it, whether it be, even if it dries out, lands on it, goes and lays its eggs, and it'll spread a little of the chemical. And what that does is it stops the larva from growing into adulthood. So that you'll definitely notice after about a week, things are really going down. And it'll last, for probably a couple of weeks, the regulator. Another one that I would recommend, this is also natural and it kills them dead. This is a pyrethrin concentrate. Just a little bit to some water. This really gets them agitated and moving. So I'll do a combination, of this with the regulator. Next weekend I'll come up and I'll hit them with the regulator and something like this. And last year I sprayed 3 times, and that's really all it took. And obviously the bugs were not gone, but they were certainly bearable. So I would recommend, picking one of these up. It's a hell of a lot cheaper than hiring somebody to come out and spray your place. You just can't quite do it with a pump sprayer. You can't. You want to be able to blow those leaves back and get into the woods. One thing too. The owners of this company are amazing people, and if you do order one, there's a little like a coupon code. If you put Dave Sherva in there, they'll even give you a discount. So again, this is the Mosquito Sniper System. It'll save your summer and give your kids and your pets a little reprieve from the damn bugs. All right, make it a great day.